Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the protective cover in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the screw on the back panel to remove the protective cover. To install the new protective cover, position the protective cover and rethread the screw. Plug in the dryer. And your dryer should be ready for use.